Are you looking for the best kitchen carts? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best kitchen carts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vevor Kitchen Island Cart with solid wood top. With its stylish design, spacious storage, and various accessories, the Vevor Kitchen Island was built to impress. Standing at about 32.7 inches tall, this cart is large enough to serve as a kitchen island, a coffee station, a sideboard or buffet, or even just as stylish kitchen storage. One of the many perks of this kitchen cart is the storage. It comes with 2 pull-out drawers and 2 separate storage spaces for various kitchen tools, pots, and pans. This cart comes with an adjustable board, a spice rack, and a towel rack, making all of your kitchen needs immediately available. The top board also doubles as a cutting board, making it an asset during cooking. The shelving may be a little too small to hold a countertop microwave or toaster oven, but pots and pans and other utensils should not be an issue to store. The cart is also movable thanks to its wheels, though built-in stoppers keep it stationary if preferred. Its total weight capacity holds up to 300 pounds. Product details, dimensions, 17.7 by 35.4 by 32.7 inches. Weight capacity, 300 pounds, material, solid wood and manufactured wood, casters, lockable plastic wheels, warranty, 1 year. Number 2. Sywhitta Rolling Utility Cart. Tall and slim, this affordable kitchen cart boosts kitchen storage with ease. Thanks to its 3 storage shelves, you can clear out some space in your pantry or use it to store items that are cluttering your kitchen counter. If you have a small kitchen, consider keeping pasta, snacks, or baking supplies in this budget-friendly kitchen cart. And if you need even more space, the cart comes in 4-, 5-, and even 6-tier options to maximize storage. The cart is a fun way to add a pop of color to your kitchen as it comes in pink, green, blue, black, and white. It's also easy to assemble and doesn't require the use of tools. Casters on the bottom and grooved handles on the top make it easy to move the cart from room to room. The storage baskets are made of plastic, so we don't recommend storing heavy items in this cart. However, it has a weight capacity of 66 pounds, which is more than enough to store common kitchen or pantry items. Product details, dimensions, 15.35 by 11.42 by 29.92 inches. Weight capacity, 66 pounds, material, plastic, iron, casters, lockable plastic wheels, warranty, not specified. Number 3. Sywhitta Rolling Kitchen Island with Storage. A drop-leaf table is a hinged addition to a tabletop that provides extra space to expand the size of the tabletop. The Sywhitta Rolling Kitchen Island provides additional work or eating space with its 12-inch drop-leaf extension. Made from a combination of manufactured wood and rubber wood, this kitchen cart is sturdy and built to last for many years to come. The swing door cabinet and 3 pull-out drawers allow you to have your prep table, pots/pans, and utensils within arm's reach. It's slim in size, so it doesn't take up much space, a plus for someone with a busy or chaotic kitchen. We love the finished black aesthetic and the sophistication of the polished handles, but you can also opt for white or gray instead. In addition to the drop-leaf table, there's a towel rack and a spice rack. It also has wheels, so it can be easily moved around the kitchen if needed. It should be noted that the top of this kitchen cart is not meant to be a butcher block and is for display purposes only. Product details, dimensions, 29.5 by 53.5 by 36 inches. Weight capacity, not listed, material, rubber wood, engineered wood, wood, casters, lockable rubber wheels, warranty, 1 year, limited. Number 4. Homestyle's Dolly Madison Kitchen Cart. The Homestyle cart will add a significant amount of storage to your kitchen with its deep cabinets and 3 pull-out drawers. The cart is approximately 54 inches wide, and it can be pushed against a wall or used as a kitchen island. The lock-in-place wheels make it easy to move around, and it has a drop-leaf pop-up counter that adds 11 extra inches of space and doubles as a butcher block. This adds more surface area for cooking, or you can even use it as additional seating. The adjustable shelves add to the versatility and give you the freedom to store what you'd like inside. With small adjuster knobs inside the cabinets, you can lower or raise the shelves based on your storage needs. Allow yourself more space for larger items like pots and pans, or a smaller space for canned goods and glassware. There are 3 different colors to choose from, but the price varies depending on the color. Product details. Dimensions: 18 by 54 by 36 inches. Weight capacity: 270 pounds. Material: solid wood, manufactured with casters, lockable industrial-grade rubber wheels. Warranty: 30 days. Return. Number 5. Stablelink stainless steel table. The Stablelink stainless steel table with caster wheels is a heavy-duty kitchen cart for a home chef who wants to work with restaurant-quality products. The top shelf of this stainless steel kitchen cart can hold up to 440 pounds. The bottom shelf, which is adjustable, can hold up to 330 pounds, making it possible for this cart to store more than a total of 770 pounds. This means you could store several small appliances here without worrying about stability. While it is made with restaurant-quality materials, the rounded edge profile makes it comfortable for home use. No bruised hips as you walk by. It's durable, water-resistant, and easy to clean with mild soap and a damp cloth. You could also use a special stainless steel cleaner if you want it to really shine. Since there are no drawers or storage features attached to this cart, you may want to add your own storage accessories, such as an acrylic Lazy Susan or bins. Product details. Dimensions: 36 by 24 by 34 inches. Weight capacity: 770 pounds. Material: stainless steel, casters, lockable polyurethane wheels. Warranty: 30 days. Return.